Hi students, and today's class is on definite article the. Already in my previous video I explained a and an indefinite article. Of course, a and an are indefinite articles. That is a special. So this is the definite article the. Why we call this is a definite article? This article tells particular things. So that's why we call this definite article the. Okay, so where we use definite article the. So these are the list of words are given here. So one by one I explain. You listen carefully. So this is the first rule number one. Rule number one is these use it before the names of directions. Names of the directions. The east, the west, the north, the south. Okay, so before the names of directions we use definite article the. Second one, the used before the names of rivers. The Tapati, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Godavari. So in before the names of rivers, we use definite article the. Not only rivers, before the names of the oceans. The Indian Oceans, the Atlantic Ocean, the Red Sea, the Caspian Sea, the Pacific Sea. Before the names of oceans, we use a definite article the. Another one is these used before the superlative adjective, superlative degree, the tallest, the greatest, the highest, the shortest. Not only these one, the most beautiful, the most. You understand? So the greatest, the best. So before the superlative degrees, we use definite article the. And the is used before unique ones, unique in the universe, only one for of its kind. The sun, the sky, the star, the moon, the earth. So all are unique in the universe. We use definite article the before them. So not like a and these ones, we can get by heart these ones very simple. Before the names of directions, name before the names of rivers, oceans, superlatives, and unique ones. Now, before the names of mountains, before the names of mountains. Before the names of mountains, sixth point. So actually mountain ranges before the mountain ranges, the Himalayas means not a one mountain, it's a mountain ranges, the Aravalis, the Vindhya, the Satpura. Okay, we use it definite article the before mountain ranges. And before adjectival nouns means by their quality, the poor, the rich, the dumb, the deaf. So before the names of these, we can use definite article the. And not only that, before the names of musical instruments, the veena, the tabla, the violin, the flute, like that, we use definite article the. Before the religious means to tell the to indicate the entire group, for example the Hindus, the Muslims, the Muslims, the Christians. So the Hindus means the entire Hindu community, the Muslims means the entire Muslim community. So if you want to uh, you tell the entire community, you can use definite article the before them. Okay, so the is used before the ordinal numbers. Actually we have cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers in maths. But before the ordinal numbers means the first to indicate the position, the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the last. So we can use definite article the before them. So before the ordinal numbers. And the next one. Okay, before the ordinal numbers. These used before the names of newspapers. Before the names of newspapers. The Hindu, the Indian Express, the Economic Times, the Times of India. So any newspapers names we can write definite article the. And the next one is before the names of sacred books, holy books. Sacred books or holy books, famous books, famous books. We can use very popular books. We can use definite article the. Not only sacred books, any famous books, the Midnight's Children, or any famous books. So the Ramayana, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran. These are the religious books. But we can write the Harry Potter, we can write since it is a very popular book. Okay, next one, these used before the names of political parties. So all the parties, the Congress party, the YSR party, the BJP party, we can write. And the next one, 14th one, these used before the names of organizations. For example, any organizations we can write definitely the UNO, the UNICEF, the UNESCO, the WHO, the ILO, International Labour Organization. So like that we can use any definite article the before them. Okay, come to the next one. Okay, before the names of express trains, before the names of express trains, the Krishna, the Godavari, the Penna, the Godavari Express, the Satabdi Express, like any before the names of any express trains, we can use definite article the. And the next, these used before the historical constructions or monuments. So how? For example, the Charminar, the Red Fort, the White House, the Gateway of India. These are the historical ones to Qutub Minar or any official buildings. Official buildings also we can use the White House, official residence of American president, the Rashtrapati Bhavan. So any historical buildings or monuments or any recognizable constructions we can use definite article the. Understand? Next, before the national festivals, the Independence Day, the Republic Day, the Gandhi Jayanti, the Children's Day, any festivals we can use definite article the. And sometimes we mention the head of the institutions by their designation. So in letters we write to the principal, to the headmaster, to the manager, to the postmaster. These are the designations. Principal, headmaster, manager, the director, the superintendent. These are the designations of the people. So we can use definite article the before those designations. Okay. And the next one. Okay. Look at this. These used before the secondary purpose of a place. This is an important concept. And this is somehow important. These used before the secondary purpose of a place. For example, anywhere we go, especially in the public places or important places, primary and secondary two purposes are there. For example, I went to hospital to consult the doctor. Actually, the primary purpose of going to the hospital is to consult the doctor. So if we go there with primary purpose, no need to write article before the place. Yeah, I went to hospital, not don't say I went to the hospital. Understand? I went to hospital to consult the doctor. So the primary purpose is this. That's why primary there is no article. Look at the second one. I went to the hospital to see my sick friend. So this is a secondary. Going to the hospital not to consult the doctor. You want to see your sick friend. That's why you write definite article the. So another example, I go to college primary since to study. My father goes to the college to meet his friend. To meet his friend. So my father went there not to study. He went there to meet his friend. So that he write the college. So primary purpose is no article. Secondary purpose you must write definite article. Okay. So this is a very important thing in the definite article the. You understand? Okay. Even sometimes we never use any article before some words. So we call them omission of articles. What we call it? Omission of articles. Omission of articles means where we never use any articles. Any articles. A, an or the. Okay. So here in these places we should not use any article before these. So first one. Look at this. Any article cannot be used before the names of person. This is interesting. So before the names of any Raju, Geeta, Sita, like any names of the person, we should not use article before the names. A Raju, An Raju, the Raju, we never use. Okay, leave it. Any article cannot be used before the names of country. An America, A Sri Lanka, A Japan, the India, we should not use. We should not use. But here I want to tell you, explain you one interesting concept. Okay, before India, before Japan, before Sri Lanka, before America, we should not use. But we can write before definite article the before some countries. For example, the US, the West Indies. Okay, these are exemptions. These the West Indies, the Indonesia. Sir, you can ask me these also country names, but we use definite article the. So should not use any article before any name of the country, but still we use the US, the UAE, the UAE. So we use these are the country United Arab Emirate. This is a group of countries. US group of states. West Indies group of islands. Indonesia islands. So like this, these are the exemption ones where we before them we use definite article the. Okay. Other than those, we should not use any article. Not only the any article before them. Come to the third one. Any article cannot be used before the names of games. Before the names of games, we should not use any article. Any article cannot be used before the names of disease. So before the names of disease, we should not use any article. No, cross mark means no article. Cancer, malaria, fever, we should not use. Any article cannot be used before the names of metal. Before the names of metal, we should not use any article. Okay, metal or anything like. Names of metal. Okay, cotton, material, not only metal, material. Okay, next, any article used before the names of language. So, before the name, English is a language, Sanskrit is a language, Telugu, Hindi, we should not use any article before them. Here, I want to give you one sentence, which is some interesting one. Okay, before the names of any language, we should not use. I write one sentence, the English defeated the French. Just as I explained before the names of languages we should not use any article, but sir use the English, the French. Mind you students, this is an interesting one. English means England, people of England. French means the people of France, not the languages names here. You understand? That's why there. So sometimes in the examination given like this, you may get confused. So depend on the sentence, we must understand whether it is a language or nation. So here this is a nation, English, not another language. The English is good language, good communication language or something. So here that is in that English is language name. Okay. So the come to the next one. Next, come to this before the names of meals. No article lunch, supper, dinner, breakfast. We should not use any article before the meal. Okay. So articles day or month. Don't say the Sunday, the April. They like no article should use before names of the months, days. Any article cannot be used before the abstract nouns. Already we know abstract nouns. Those we cannot touch and see, just with just we feel. Those nouns are abstract nouns. Honest. There is no article before that. Childhood, knowledge, love. There is no article. Understand? So this is the omission of articles. Okay, students. I hope you are all enjoying listening my class. I come with some other video. Bye.